Okay, let's tackle a big one. What is your home really worth? The answer isn't so simple.
You know the drill, right? You type your address into some website and boom, a number pops up.
And here's the thing, we see that number and we treat it like a fact, but it's not.
See, a house doesn't have one single true value. It's really about a range of possible prices.
And this is where we see some big flaws, starting with something called false concreteness. Think about it. An estimate is just a guess from a model. It's not a real-world measurement. Then you get that stock chart for your home's value. You've seen this, right? All those peaks and valleys. But guess what? Your house isn't a stock. That chart just creates an illusion of precision. Okay, but the biggest problem? It's a tricky thing called reflexivity. It creates a dangerous feedback loop. So how does this feedback loop work? Well, it's a 4-step cycle. Let's walk through it. Basically, your asking price influences the estimate, which then seems to prove your asking price was right. Yeah, it's like a map that changes based on where you say you want to go. It's crazy. So, is there a better way? A more honest way? Absolutely. And it starts with challenging the number. It's this idea of contestability. Basically, you should be able to argue with the computer. You know, hey, the model doesn't know about my new kitchen. That's exactly the kind of thing we mean. Because the goal shouldn't be to replace your judgment. It should be to make it more informed. So many sites just want quick engagement. The real goal should be helping you make a quality decision. So it's all about a mindset shift. Stop looking for one number, start exploring a range of outcomes. And when you make this shift, it helps everyone involved, both buyers and sellers. Sellers can price more realistically, and buyers, you get to negotiate with actual evidence, not just feelings. So ask yourself, are you looking for a fact, or are you looking for help making a better decision?